So this is an unboxing video for the Luma Surround Wi-Fi system, a new router on the market. I have been on the Amazon waitlist for quite some time and it finally decided to show up. I know that a lot of people have been getting angry with how they did the pre-orders here. You can see the box. It's pretty nice. It's actually pretty heavy for a router, for what you'd think of. Let's see here. Let's try to get this off. It doesn't want to come off. There you go. You slide the top cap off, and you are left with another box inside. Looks like it's got your serial numbers for the 3 devices on the bottom. But you lift this top off, and some more stuff inside. See here, hello, meet Luma. Get ready to experience surround Wi-Fi in each and every room of your home. Your connected devices will soon thank you. Let's get started. Alright, so there's a little tab. It's pretty thick double-sided cardboard. No wonder this box is so heavy. And inside there are 3 Luma devices. Fit and finish so far seems not quite Apple-like. You can see the packaging paper doesn't even really fit in the box. Oops, sorry. Probably a little bit of work to be done there. Let's see if we take one of these out. Looks like it's just a regular hexagon with a USB, landline in, out, and a power adapter. Nice rubber surface on the bottom to keep it from sliding, although I will be curious with kids how well these things stand up. So we'll continue, same thing. Third one, they don't feel super light, but they don't feel real heavy either. So we take this out. Oh wow, then there's more. Another piece of paper. Once you download the app, it's easy. You'll be guided through each step setting up a surround Wi-Fi system tailored to you and to your home, and then where to get it at. Let's see here. Open this up. Then inside of here, there are 3 power adapters. 1, 2, 3, and 1 network cable. It's like a thin ribbon style cable, not too long. And that's it. A lot of cardboard in here. Let's open one of these up just to see what it looks like inside. Power adapter. Nothing too fancy, about 2.5 inches wide little power brick. Says Luma on it, and looks like they give you a decent amount of cord here. We will get this set up and see how it works. Alright, so we have downloaded the Luma app onto an iPhone, and let's see what it does. Starts up, welcome to Luma. Not sure if you can see that here or not. Surround Wi-Fi with speed, security, and control. Create an account or a login. You can't go too far. I can't see any of the features or do much of anything without creating an account. I will go ahead and set this up and be right back. So after your name, it asks you for your email address. After your email address, it asks you to set up your password. And after putting your password in, success. Looks like that's all it takes to create an account. Name, email, password. We'll click next. So how many Lumas do we have? We have 3. That's it. Get started. I need a Luma, a network cable, and a modem, which we all have. Customize surround Wi-Fi. Help us learn about the home. How many floors? So we have a 2-story house with a basement, so we'll go 3. Which floor is your modem located? Actually, it's in the basement, but I have the Cat 5 or Cat 6 cabling to the first floor, so we'll pick the middle floor here. Is the modem in the front or back of your home? In the center or towards a corner? Let's see here, let's try... it's not letting me move it. It's really in the corner here. Just lets us pick that, front of home. Pick a network name and password. Alright, put the network name and password in. Now it's asking me to connect to the modem using the network cable. I already have one of my own, so I won't need that. Plug it in the port labeled in, and then plug the other side into an Ethernet port on your modem. Then it's asking us to connect it to power, restart the modem, and then name it. Alright, hold on, we'll be back. Alright, so I have somewhat of a temporary setup here. I've got the Netgear turned off and have the Luma. Gonna plug it in here. Gives me a blue circle. This Luma's starting up. When the light ring spins blue, when it's ready, it will turn solid blue. Just one thing I can say that I did not do is reset the modem like it wanted me to do, but I'm thinking it'll be okay. So we'll see how long this takes. It does not take more than a minute or so. Nothing new on the app. Still just says Luma starting up. Still spinning here. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Well, this is going to make for fun editing, either on my part or fun watching on your part. One or the other. Okay. Oh, there we go. Solid blue. So the app says it should be ready when it turns solid blue. But it's still spinning on my app. Here we go. Luma's light ring should now be solid blue. Press the start Wi-Fi button below to activate. It will flash green a few seconds and then turn off. You can see they get a little bit of work to do on the app where the words are actually going over the picture. So we'll hit start Wi-Fi. Should flash green. There it goes. Flashing green. And let's see what we have here. So I'll tell to add Lumas later, the other ones. Oops, we get another little mess up. The picture's over the word active. Okay. So I am online. So, Wi-Fi, security, network is secure, 0 devices scanned. I guess I don't have anything else hooked up to this yet. Control. I can add a Luma, pause the internet, or invite to Wi-Fi. Alright, so I'm back. So So it looks like I pause the internet, add another Luma, or invite to Wi-Fi. And it looks like that just shoots a message to somebody. People. No people added. Filtering. Looks like we can do some sort of filtering here. And we can do Wi-Fi settings. Advanced, not a whole lot on here. Static DHCP leases. So we can add static IP addresses and create port forwarding rules, and that is about it.